This is what almost 30 years of dirt and oxidation make an aluminium part to look like. My solution to this problem is a DIY scrubbing paste made from common household materials. For my scrubbing paste, I'm using a laundry detergent powder, a tarnish removing powder, a kitchen cream with cleaning particles, and dishwashing soap. First, we're using the kitchen cream with the dishwashing soap. We put like 50-50. Then is the tarnish remover, and last is the laundry detergent powder. You put it all together and you start mixing. Remember, this was supposed to be a paste, so you add your laundry detergent and your tarnish removing powder until it becomes a paste. Add a bit more of this tarnish removing powder. And your scrubbing paste is ready. Now you take your dirty aluminium part, you apply some of the paste you just made, put on some gloves and start scrubbing with your scrubbing pot. Now I'm washing off the cream to see how I did. And I can already tell this is much cleaner than what it was before. Okay, look at that difference. This is half finished, as you can see, and the difference between the two halves. So this is the final result. I work on this piece for 1.5 hours, and as you can see, it's in a much better condition than it was before. You can see, of course, from the pictures the before and after. Thank you for watching, and if you liked our videos, please subscribe for the future content.